Welcome to today's Research Business Daily Report, where we're going to take a quick look at Cambiar's fourth annual Future of Research survey, which I think tells some very important things about the state of client research departments. And then we'll take a look at Facebook, which has had a good and potentially bad time in courtrooms this week. RBDR is sponsored today and this week by 2020 Research, helping you do better research, and we'll tell you how they can help you in just a few moments. The Green Book blog published a smattering of results from Cambiar's fourth annual Future of Research survey this past week, and I found some of the current statistical data from clients about their current successes, but one sobering figure also about the present that is certainly interesting. In the last 2 years, as companies have been emerging more strongly from the Great Recession, Cambiar's survey shows that clients are reporting having gained greater impact internally, particularly with brands and marketing, where 80% of them claim to have increased their influence, but also with senior management. 64% of them say they are in better position with those people than before. And it's followed by customer marketing, corporate strategy, and I thought surprisingly low with sales. Still, proving that there's always work to be done to make researchers' case to internal clients, the respondents to this survey said that for 2 years, they have been stuck on a 37% number who say they are playing the role of strategic thought partner. So there's obviously work that can and should be done. Next, Facebook has had an interesting week in and out of courtrooms with legal struggles concerning, in one case, what to do with visitors' data, and secondly, whether they have a responsibility to research and thereby control what some members are posting. In a San Jose U.S. District Court, Judge Edward Davila tossed out lawsuits filed in 2011 that alleged that Facebook tracking of visitors who clicked the like button on the Facebook website and then moved on elsewhere on the web actually became a violation of these surfers' privacy. Judge Davila ruled the plaintiffs lacked standing because they failed to show injury from the alleged privacy violations. And he also cited similar lawsuits against LinkedIn, Google, and others in which plaintiffs had shown no loss of opportunity to sell their information or that the value of their information had been diminished and therefore there was nothing to help them with. By the way, Facebook still is facing other privacy lawsuits. But now there's an Israeli legal center known as Shurat Hadin, and it is trying to put together a class action lawsuit against Facebook. Its case would be based on what Shurat Hadin says is Facebook failing to do its research about what some of its Palestinian members are posting. Shurat Hadin claims it has evidence of general and specific calls for incitement on Facebook by Palestinian members who in recent weeks have announced that they're going on a particular day to kill Israelis, and then have carried out their announced plans, some successfully. The institution is asking Israelis to pass on additional examples that they're aware of incendiary Facebook postings by Palestinians, all which could lead to a legal filing, they say, in a New York law firm. Shurat Hadin also says it wants Facebook to block incitements to hurt Israelis and to have removed individuals who have made such remarks to date. Now, it's hard to say how serious this legal threat could actually turn out to be for Facebook. However, it does raise an interesting question about Facebook's responsibility to research what its members are posting. Earlier this year, Facebook took down some ISIS member postings. That's your Research Business Daily Report. We've been sponsored by 2020 Research, helping you to do better research. As I've been telling you all week, there has been a number of tremendous research innovations in our industry, but there's always a question about what works and what does not. Well, 2020 Research has pages devoted to that subject, and it'll tell you things like the spreading use of qual-quant and how it is working, the use of 2020's virtual intercept tool, 6 globally usable research technologies, and a wealth of information about facial coding. In short, if you'd like to be up to date on research innovations that are truly workable and difference-making, check out the 2020research.com link that we have attached to today's report. We hope you have a great research day and that the rest of your week goes well. Please enjoy your upcoming weekend, and we'll look forward to seeing you back here on Monday.